Okay, my goal in this video is to show you three things. What is a trend? First, I'll give you some examples, and then how to see a trend and how to actually get out and get in front of it to be able to make some money from them. And at the end of this video, the third part, I'll actually show you something in the stock market itself, a trend from now until Christmas that you'll actually be able to go out and make money with as well. So here we go. First, what is a trend? A general direction of change, a way of behaving, proceeding, and this is developing and becoming more common, blah, blah, blah. A trend, we know what trends are, and the easiest way to show you what a trend is, if you don't know, we're going to show you some examples. Now here is one of the biggest trends that have ever happened in history. Way back when World War II was over, well, everybody come home, everybody's pretty happy, and everybody's pretty happy to be reunited with their loved ones again. Next thing you know, ba-boom, the baby boomers. We have the largest population growth ever in history. And because of that, what happens? Gerber for baby food pops out of nowheres that didn't exist before. Pampers. And what you're going to find is the whole way up through the life of a baby boomer, you're going to find companies that were created that got in front of that trend. Right up until now, those would be like seniors housing and stuff like that. So, and medical and health. So it's a huge trend, and that's something, that's an example. That's one of the big examples. And how to get in front of it. These companies got in front of the big trend. Okay, another example would be dogs. Yeah, when COVID happened, the amount of people that had dogs went through the roof. And that's a trend that continues on because they're still keeping their dogs. So that was another huge trend, a good example. Now, how do you see and get in front of a trend to make money? Well, how do you see a trend? Is quite easily. All you do is you just observe. Observe stuff around you. You'll see stuff happening. Now that I'm starting to open your eyes up to it, you'll start seeing the stuff happening around you, and you'll start observing, and then you'll be able to position yourself in front of it. Now, a good example would be maybe in your local area, the population seems to be growing. Well, that's going to give you an opportunity for housing, for more businesses, things like that. And to position yourself in front of that is not that hard when you just stop and think about it and just watch what's going on. Now, just like you would if you were hunting, you would be following and you'd be watching an animal. And you see the patterns that that animal does. Well, then you're able to take advantage of that. It's the same idea with a trend. When I think of a trend, I think of a big cloud, dark cloud, full of money that's going to rain down on you. That's the way I look at a trend. Now, how do you get in front of that? Well, you find some buckets and you get your buckets out before the rain comes. That's a beautiful little picture of a way to think of a trend and how to get in front of it money-wise. And just like there's trends everywhere else, there's trends in the market as well. And everything I've been learning has been coming from Tyrone Jackson, wealthy investor. I'll leave links in the bottom. And if you're just looking to learn how to invest, everything he has for free will give you more than enough information to be confident to step in the market and start investing. So what I'm going to tell you right now is from now till Christmas, there's companies out there, Amazon, we'll just might as well say it because they're a big company, and everybody's going to buy stuff for Christmas. And that's a trend. So the stock will rise this time of year. And there's all kinds of other trends like that you can see in the market once you get a financial education. Thanks for checking out the video today. Just wanted to throw a few of those things out there just to give you a rough idea what trends are, how to get in front of them, and how to maybe make your life a little bit, I'm going to say it, greater. That's right. Take care.